All right, let's go ahead and open up the new box. This is the 3/8 drive 7-piece set of GripEdge Tools RPT rounding prevention technology. And right off the bat, I can tell you that the packaging just looks fantastic. The fit and finish is beautiful. On the back of the box, you can see that it's got the information about the sizing. It's got a little bit of information about how this tool works for you, how it is so different than the conventional hex head that you're used to. Really nice. Let's go ahead and open it up. Look at that. They even give you a little package of stickers in there. We got 4 different stickers that comes with it. We've got the GripEdge Tools logo. We've got the GripEdge Tools font logo, real nice. And then we've got a couple of informational stickers that show you how this technology works. So right off the bat, I can tell you the fit and finish of this is just beautiful. It's on a really nice aluminum rail. And as I look at the tool, I can see that it's actually engraved and painted, so it's really nice. You can see the sizing, very simple. You can easily identify what size you're reaching for, and it's got the little green stripe on the bottom for some traction, so that if you're turning it by your hand, you can hold on to it. Really, really nice set. So that's the 7-piece 3/8 drive SAE set of RPT rounding prevention technology from GripEdge Tools.